So most people solve this question like cancel this 30 by 30. So now 300 divided by 10, right? So 300 divided by 10 is equal to 30. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have one division and here multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, right? So now 300. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 300 as it is same. Then C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this second fraction. 10 upon 30 is equal to 30 upon 10 times 30, right? So now 300 divided by 10 is equal to 30. So 30 times 30 is equal to 900, right? Now 900 times 30 is equal to 27,000, right? So the correct answer is 27,000. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Vidakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.